Hey, how's it going, guys? Markel here, back with another unboxing. And if you were part of the group that when the Pixel 6 Pro was first released, they offered these free, which are these Pixel Bud A series, okay? I do have the Pixel Buds from 2020. These were the second generation of Pixel Buds, okay? And I must tell you, these were complete garbage. That's why they were discontinued. I had so many connection issues with these. These are supposed to be much better when it comes to connection. Good luck if you're trying to find these. These were $179 when they did sell them, and these are now $99. But if you ordered day of the release of this device, you could have picked these up for free, and they go for 99 bucks. So let's go ahead and unbox them. There's not that many changes, but the biggest thing is hopefully they work. So here are the buds. Let's see what else comes in the box. So you did get a cord, you get a Type-C, USB-A to Type-C, and you get some tips. That's what those are, tips right there. So we have the 2020 version here and the 2021 version. As you can see, these are a little smaller than these are. These are better built than these are, that's for sure. Some of the key differences between the two, if you can find these Pixel Buds from 2020. So like I said, they were $179. They're probably on sale in different places like Amazon, eBay, but you can't get them on Google, I can tell you that. Now these are available on Google sites. So let's get to the differences. So you have wireless charging on these from 2020. You don't have them on here. The build quality, definitely different. These came in 4 different colors. These you can only get in 2. These wing tips here on the ones from 2020 were super hard, where these are supposed to be a lot softer. They don't feel much softer, I can tell you that. The other differences were these have touch controls where these don't, but you can just use Google, which is not that big a deal. The biggest problem with these, like I said earlier, were connection problems, where that issue was supposed to be fixed on these. When it comes to sound quality, from the reviews that I saw, these are decent, but these are better. Okay, so that's pretty much the differences between the two, besides the pricing of $179 versus $99. All right, so I'm gonna hook this up to my Pixel, see what it sounds like, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I had a little bit of time to listen to them. Didn't take very long, to be honest with you, because they're very basic. They're 99 bucks. They're much thinner than these are. This is a much thicker, harder case, and you can see the size of it. It looks similar, but yeah, this is a much heavier, feels better in the hand than this. This has more of a plasticky feel to it. One of the things I forgot to mention though is the adaptive alert. It has an alert and beta series on this one, where this one, it doesn't have it. Now, I will say, this has touch controls. This is not supposed to have touch controls, but when I turned it on and hooked it up, it was showing touch controls. But when I put it in my ear and tried it, it didn't have anything. So just so you know that. Now, very easy to hook up. I went through this little thing. It takes about 15-20 minutes to download the firmware. You can get into the app right here, right? It shows you guys, you know, you got Find My Device, touch controls, and it's on, but mine didn't work. You got this little EQ, and all you basically get is based on an adaptive sound, in-ear detection, and you got more settings for the firmware. But it hooked up pretty easy. You didn't really have to do a whole lot. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And it's a decent sound. You know, you're not gonna get noise cancellation here for 99 bucks. Ain't gonna happen. It's splash proof. You know, I wouldn't go, you know, running around or dropping these in water thinking they're gonna work after you do that. They probably won't, because they're just splash resistance, all right? But like I said, it came free. Well, nothing is free, but it came with the phone. So if you ordered it early, they offered this. I don't know if they offered it with the Pixel 6, the regular Pixel 6, but I know they offered it with the Pixel 6 Pro, because when I ordered mine directly from Google Unlock, this was added with it for the same price of $8.99. So they threw this in there. But like I said, these, to be honest, these were nothing but problems. Even after I updated to the new firmware it had at the time, they still had connection issues, and even now, they still don't work right. I can go through the whole setup process and it still won't work right. So these are supposedly better, and these did connect right away. These did that too the first time. But these sound decent. I'll say they sound decent for 99 bucks. I still say these do sound better, obviously, for 179 versus 99. But all right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys.